Hello, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of AddPicto and how that works between Google Slides, Docs, and Sheets. So I've already launched the add-on on all three of these applications, as you see. And there's a slight unique difference between how slides work versus the other two. And I'll show you what I mean. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the shape like this one. And I'm going to select search for an image. And you know what? Actually, that looks kind of neat. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Or maybe that one. Yeah, why not? I'm going to click on Insert Picto. And what that will do is insert this masked image onto your Google Slides, like so. So that looks pretty good, right? Well, the cool thing is you can actually select it, copy, go over to Google Docs, and paste it. Once you have done so, and you can say like, well, I actually don't want this. I want to change this. I want to change it to number 2, for example. Well, with this selected, I can click on Edit Selected, and it will load that information here. And then you could go back, select number 2, and you can see that the image is still retained, and you can click on Insert with the selected, and it will update that to number 2. Great. So what happens when you copy this and go over to Google Sheets and paste it? Well, unfortunately, nothing. And this is mainly because Google Sheets, the API does not allow us to do that. But you can from here select the icon or the shape, and then select the image, and then you can say insert. And so what that will do is it will insert that into Google Sheets, like so. There you go. And so you'll see that in here, it doesn't have an option for select edit. And that's mainly because Google Sheets does not allow us to do so. So I think, again, if you're in Google Docs, I'm going to, again, select something else. This time I'm going to select, I don't know, the watch. That looks pretty good. And let's select a different image like that one. Maybe a little bit more colorful. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, great. So I've done that, and I'm going to click on Insert. And that should insert that. Perfect. I'm going to resize it like so. I'm going to click that and then copy and go over to Google Slides, paste it. And now if I go back to the select shape screen, have this selected, and click on edit, it will bring up all of that information here so that I could change it. And again, I could rotate it if I want. And let's change it to something else. I go with dogs, because who doesn't love dogs? There we go. And then I can say insert with this selected, and it will just update it. Great. And that's a quick overview of how to use AddPicto in your Google Slides, Google Docs, and Google Sheets.